Sunshine Children's Rehabilitation Center is located in Westchester County, New York. It's approximately 25 or 30 miles north of New York City along the Hudson River. This is a fairly wooded area, rural with lots of tree-lined streets and overhead electric service. My name is Mike Hansel. I'm a Power Solutions Manager with Generac Power Systems. Frequent and widespread power outages are common in this area, so having a reliable backup power system has a particular importance in this region of New York. We want to make sure the children can stay here where they're receiving the best quality of care, so maintaining uninterrupted continuous power helps the staff at the hospital provide that level of care.
The main objectives for the client were to provide a reliable power system. We had to establish trust, and we had to show that it was easy to maintain for overall operations. This project was planned for a 1750 kW generator for standby and emergency power for this facility. The original design had some challenges.
Regarding the integration of the generator, it was extremely complex. A lot of design, a lot of talk, a lot of challenges.
They only really had one space to put the generator. The 1750 was so large with the fuel tank that it needed a platform and a walkway to access the doors.
Designing what kind of cables to use, you had to use fiber optics because of the large distance from the generator, from the emergency switchgear.
As Power Solutions Manager, my role in this project was to provide technical guidance to Joe from Energy Systems and also guidance to Express Electric as they work through the design on this fairly complex project.
We discussed the project and realized that this was a good opportunity for a parallel solution, which we felt improved the reliability. What we were doing is we were changing the design from a 1750 kW to a 3x600 parallel solution for an overall 1800 kW system.
The benefit of having 3 units instead of a single large unit helped us keep up the redundancy and making sure that the system is always going to work for the minimum of life safety and critical equipment.
One of the concerns with the 3x600 is if it would fit in the allotted space. We took the drawings for the generators and arranged them in the space and found out that we actually picked up a little bit of space. It had a smaller footprint.
The transfer switches are some 800 feet away from where the generators are located. So that required Generac to design a custom fiber optic link that gets the communication from the generator sets back to the user control panel inside the hospital. So the hospital will have complete knowledge of the operational status of the machines in spite of the fact that they're 800 feet away.
The owners had some questions about how would it be to maintain 3 generators instead of 1. It's lower fluids, less downtime, lower operating costs. It's actually easier to maintain 3 instead of 1.
The 3x600 design is especially useful on this project. If it becomes necessary to do maintenance on the generator set, they can shut one down at a time, perform the maintenance, while still maintaining all the loads in the building.
Dealing with Energy Systems was a breeze. Dealing with Joe Turin, who was always at help. We have Mike when there's technical questions. Joe's back-end team, they're just a pleasure to deal with. That's what keeps us coming back.
Without the support of Generac, the project would not have gone as smoothly as it did. The communication was fast and consistent and concise. Excellent support throughout the project.